Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a public Discord server. First, open Discord and click the plus icon on the left sidebar to create a new server. You can select a template for a community or start from scratch. Give your server a memorable name and upload a clear icon that represents your community. This initial step lays the foundation for your online space. Next, organize your server with channels. Create various text channels for discussions and voice channels for real-time conversations. Group these channels into categories like general or gaming to keep everything tidy and easy to navigate. Remember to set specific permissions for each channel, ensuring the right people have access to the right discussions. Roles are crucial for managing your community. Create roles such as moderator or admin and assign them distinct colors. Then, grant these roles specific permissions, like the ability to kick members or manage messages. You can also restrict or grant access to certain channels based on a user's assigned role, maintaining order and control. To make your server public, enable community features in your server settings. This unlocks tools like a dedicated rules channel and a customizable welcome screen for new arrivals. Clearly define your server rules to foster a positive environment. Finally, share your server invite link widely to attract new members and grow your vibrant community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.